Good afternoon and welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're coming to you on the last day of 2025. We hope it was as good to you as it was to us here at Blackout. We had a phenomenal year, broke every record like we do every year. So thank you to all of our customers, fans, friends, everybody that helped make that happen, and especially our team here at Blackout. Behind me, we've got a Tesla Model S Plaid. This is the brand new one, so a little bit of an updated front bumper. It's getting a stealth conversion. Max has been working on this for the last day or so, and it is coming out really, really great. So you can see the bumper is still gloss, the fender is a satin finish. On silver, it can be kind of tough to tell, but it really accents the body lines. We love doing stealth wraps, and this car is about, what, halfway done? 3/4 of the way done? It's getting there. Beside that, we have a brand new Tahoe. This one got PPF on the front end and rockers. Front end, it's getting a ceramic coating as well. Caleb is also helping with the stealth wrap. Sorry, I didn't mention Caleb. I didn't mean to leave you out there. And we have a trailer. This belongs to our friend Brad. If you've ever pulled a trailer, you know that the front of it gets beat up pretty bad. Everything that the truck is throwing up in front of it hits the front of the trailer. So this got PPF on the front. We usually do that for him with his trailers. Then we have a Cadillac Escalade. This one's getting polished and coated. Zach is working on that one. To my left is a Ram 2500. This truck was previously coated. Customer came in and the coating wasn't really doing what he wanted it to be doing. It wasn't performing very well. Sometimes it just needs a decontamination bath where we use some chemicals to sort of unclog the coating. Sometimes some stuff needs recoated, and that was the case with this. Some things here and there needed recoated. We took care of that for him. All of that is always covered under our warranty if it falls within the warranty period. Behind that's a Traverse that was here last week as well. This got PPF and a coating. It is cleaned up and ready to go home, looking better than new. Outside of the Tinpay, they just pulled this out. They're giving it a final inspection outside. It's a very important part of the tint process, even when it's 20 degrees. So they're getting that finished up. And the only other thing outside is that Tesla Model Y that's getting pulled around. I believe that's for a 2-week wash. Or is that for tint? That's for tint. I lied. That one's for tint. We got another 2-week wash coming in shortly. And we've started some of the destruction in order to do the construction at the bottom of our lot. We're going to have a new building down there we've been talking about for a couple weeks. So let's see what's happening in the other shops.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a couple completed vehicles here. First up is a Porsche Cayenne. This is in for a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap and an 8-year ceramic coating. Next to the Cayenne is a brand new Mazda CX-30. This too got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. We also did some pieces on the interior or around the shifter, and on the exterior, it got an 8-year ceramic coating. We have a special guest today, Flat Glass Man. Dean is taking care of some tint. Dean, a couple years ago, tinted the large windows here in the showroom, but never got around to doing the doors. So today, he is gonna take care of that. You can see the leftmost door is tinted, very slight tint, but it is noticeable, and we get that UV protection. So thanks, Dean, for stopping by the shop and taking care of this for us. In the back, we got Jason doing some work on this Volkswagen GLI. This is getting our Prime XR tint on the side windows, the back window, and a windshield visor. In the prep bay, we got a fresh delivery here. This one's a brand new BMW 540. This is in for a full stealth paint protection film wrap. All the gray paint will have stealth. All of the black accent pieces will have Ultimate Plus. We are also tinting the side windows and the back window and doing a 4-year ceramic coating. Up on the left, we have Stephen Austin's end of the year project, this Porsche 911. This came to us with a pre-existing full front clip. We did have to remove and replace the hood due to some damage in the paint protection film. And we are also completing the full wrap, doing the entire back section of the vehicle and our 10 mil paint protection film. Once these guys finish up, it's gonna head over to the Marks Bay for an 8-year ceramic coating.